Students, welcome to the second video class on the chapter From Trade to Power. In the previous class, we learned how the Europeans such as Portuguese, Dutch, English, French, etc. reached India for the purpose of trade. And also we learned the Portuguese were the first who came to India for the purpose of trade, and also we discussed about their contributions. Today we are going to learn about Dutch, English and French. They are major trading centers in India and also their other contributions. So let's begin with Dutch. Dutch were another European who reached India for trade after Portuguese. Dutch were known as Landans. The major trading centers of Dutch were Kochi and Kollam. Hortus Malabaricus. The Dutch governor Van Reed compiled a book on the medicinal plants of Kerala. He completed the book with the help of Itti Achyutan Vaidya. Hortus Malabaricus means the garden of Malabar. In 1741, Dutch fought with Marthanda Varma, the king of Travancore, in the Battle of Colachel. With this war, they lost their ground in India and they left India. After Dutch, English was the next who reached India for the purpose of trade. In the year 1600, English East India Company was formed to conduct trade with India and China. The major trading centers of English were Surat, Bombay, Calcutta and Madras, of which Surat in Gujarat was the first trade center of English East India Company in India. Students, now let's learn French trade relations with India. The French East India Company was established in 1664. French reached India for the purpose of trade. The major trade centers of French were Pondicherry, Mahi and Karaikal, of which Pondicherry was their headquarters. Students, this is very important map. The given map shows different trade centers of Portuguese, Dutch, English and French. Students, let's take a review of what we learned today. Dutch were another European force who reached India after Portuguese. Kochi and Kollam were their main trade centers. Van Reed, a Dutch governor, wrote Hortus Malabaricus. It was a book on the medicinal plants of Kerala and it was completed with the help of Itti Achyutan Vaidya. The Dutch fought with Marthanda Varma, the king of Travancore, in the Battle of Colachel in 1741 and they lost their ground in India and they have to leave India. Next, we learned about English East India Company, which was formed in England in 1600 for the trade with the countries like India and China. Surat in Gujarat was the first trade center of the company in India. Other trade centers were Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. French was the next who reached India for the purpose of trade. French East India Company was established in 1664. Pondicherry, Mahi and Karaikal were the chief trade centers of French, of which Pondicherry was their headquarters.